So for the accessing, organizing, and storing information part of this badge, I decided to use Google Keep to organize my notes and create them and access different websites. So I separated my two notebooks into labels. So we have the EDCI 270 theme label and Netflix 2019 label. So within the Netflix 2019 label, I have a list of my completed series that I have seen, and I have a list of series that I want to watch eventually, and I have my ratings of some of the Netflix originals that I have seen. Within the EDCI 270 theme, I have several notes about my goals in teaching these toddlers the topic of weather, and I have several lesson options, and I have some video and website resources within that. The website article that I explored is this one down here, and I wasn't able to exactly annotate it or cut it into it, so I provided my annotation here and a little more information about it and how I would use it within that. And I have several of the Creative Commons images, and I have a website and a YouTube video that demonstrates how it can be used within these notes.